Welcome to SidC Lab. Let's learn, create, and animate.
Today I'll tell you secret techniques to make your animation pop. These secret techniques can turn your video into a viral sensation.
Okay, let's go.
First of all, use bright colors for your animation. It's the most important step if you pay attention to the viewers when they found things colorful and attractive. The most important step is paying attention to your viewers. When your video is colorful and attractive, people stay longer and enjoy watching. A plain video may be skipped, but a bright, engaging one grabs attention instantly. And remember, attention is what brings more views. If every frame looks vibrant and exciting, viewers won't just watch, they'll share it too. That's the simple secret. The more colorful and attractive your video, the faster your views will grow. The second step is to add smooth transitions. A video without transitions feels sudden and disconnected. But when you use clean, seamless transitions, it flows naturally. This keeps the audience engaged from one scene to the next, without losing interest. Smooth transitions make your video look professional, polished, and easier to watch. And when viewers enjoy the flow, they stay longer. And that means more views and better engagement. The third tip is to make your objects and text stand out. When text is clear, bold, and easy to read, viewers quickly catch the message. The same goes for objects. If they're sharp, bright, and well-placed, they instantly grab attention. A clean design helps your video look more professional and keeps the audience focused. The more visible and attractive your elements are, the more powerful your video becomes. The fourth step is to add sounds to your videos. Sound effects bring life to every moment. Even small actions, like footsteps, claps, or little clicks, become more powerful when the right sound is added. Imagine a door opening without sound. It feels incomplete. But with a simple creak or a clap, the scene instantly feels real and engaging. These tiny details make a huge difference. Background music, applause, or playful effects keep your audience entertained and connected to the content. So never ignore sound. It's the heartbeat of your video that turns simple visuals into a full experience. The last and most important step is to keep your edits simple and clear. Don't overload your video with too many effects or elements, because when there's too much happening on screen, the main message gets lost. A clean and focused edit always works better. Keep a balance. Use just the right amount of colors, text, and transitions so every scene is easy to understand. Remember, your audience should feel relaxed and enjoy the video, not get confused. And most importantly, keep a smile in your edits. Add positivity. Add warmth. Because when your video feels light, simple, and happy, viewers connect more deeply and keep coming back. Simplicity is the real magic behind powerful editing.
Thanks so much for watching SidC Lab. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment too. We'll see you in the next fun and exciting tutorial.